G'day you mob, how's it going? My name is Pete and I'm the host of Aussie English, and today is another Aussie Slang episode. Now guys, if you want access to the other episodes in this series, every second episode will be published for members only of the Premium Podcast or Academy memberships. You can find out more about those via the link below or click the link up here in the card, okay? In the cards. So today's episode is about the Aussie slang term Ambo, or the Ambos. Okay, I wonder if you know what this slang term is referring to. Oh man, I've got to call the Ambos. Oh, my mate works as an Ambo. So an Ambo is an ambulance officer, and if we make this plural and say Ambos, it could be multiple ambulance officers, but we could also be referring to the paramedics in general, right? So the ambulance itself, the car, as well as the people in it. If you've got to call the Ambos or you need an Ambo, it could be either that you're calling the paramedics and they're coming in that ambulance, or it could be that you want an ambulance. Mate, there's been a crash and we need an Ambo. Can you send the Ambos out? We need some Ambos here right away. We need them to help everyone. They're injured. So there you go. There's another Aussie slang term for you. An Ambo is an ambulance officer, but it can also be the car. And if we pluralize it, it could be multiple ambulance officers, or the ambulance itself and the officers in it, or multiple ambulances. I know, confusing, right? Anyway, my challenge for you guys is to go down below and see if you can give me an example sentence using the word Ambo or Ambos. And don't forget as well to check out the other episodes in this series. The playlist will be up here. You can see other ones like Ace, G'day, At Sparrow's Fart, everything like that. Use these to sound a lot more Australian. And besides that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.